Welcome to another short video by Basement Wall Pros. I am working in a section of Philadelphia called Nicetown, and below I have a client who contacted me to refresh their basement and to prevent mice from entering through their walls. Let's drop down and take a look. This is the dark, dusty, drab basement the client employed us to clean and brighten. And in this video, I will demonstrate the step-by-step process on how my crew and I brought this basement, the largest room in the house, back to life, and how we created a clean and welcoming space. In row houses or twins, mice frequently travel between floor joists from house to house. First, we must identify and cement the areas where the mice are entering the basement. For our special mice mix, we use concrete sand, lime, cement, and we integrate glass and fine metal fibers to prevent mice from penetrating through our concrete. We are now applying our special mix between the floor joists. Mice can fit through small holes, therefore we use a sponge and a paintbrush to create an airtight seal between the floor joists and the cement. We have completed sealing the areas where mice were entering into the basement, and we have allowed the basement to dry for 2 days. And now it's time to apply paint to the walls and brighten this basement. We are now applying 2 coats of quality paint from Sherwin-Williams. First coat, white primer. Second coat, bright white semi-gloss. Now it's time for the second coat of semi-gloss. Now see how this basement is coming together. It's brighter, it's livelier. Now let's move on to the floor. Before painting the floor, we must thoroughly clean and prep the floor so that the floor paint bonds to the surface. For floor paint, I always recommend a light gray. It's not too dark and not too light. To satisfy my customers for years, I use this durable floor paint from Sherwin-Williams called Armour Seal Treadplex. I release a video a week. Become a new subscriber and click the bell icon to be notified when new videos are published. My videos are short and to the point. For a durable finish, we are applying 2 coats of the floor paint. If you live in or near Philadelphia, book an appointment with us by clicking the book link in description. You can be next on our list to have a bright, clean, and dust-free basement. Our client can now enjoy their bright, clean, dust, and rodent-free basement. Please like and share, and click the blue BWP icon to subscribe. Thank you.